Hi everyone, thanks for coming back to my channel. My name is Cindy and you're watching Littlestarplans. I am making this video. I know it's been a while since I uploaded a Hobonichi plan with me videos, but here is. I hope you guys aren't disappointed at all. This time I'll be doing a voiceover and I find it might be a little slightly easier than not. But here I am. I am using these date cover up stickers, and all of these stickers are designed by me, and they are available in my shop. So I am adding these date cover ups. I normally like to stick them from the top to the bottom, and you can do whatever you like. The next step, what I would do is that I take the washi tapes, the bottom washi tape, I take them and I stick them from the bottom corner and across the page. Then next, I would grab the skinny washi. You can totally use it and place it however you like, but for me in the spread, I did add them at the top. And then I decided to add some of these smaller boxes and put them all down on the second page and to the bottom. And normally I use these boxes. What I normally write in them is those dates. Sorry, not dates. What am I talking about? The weather. I'm totally not good at voiceover, but give me a shot. Let me try. Placing these boxes down, I decided to add the skinny washi across in the middle page so I can divide the page in half. You can see that it is covering, so I decided to cut them in a little bit. But if you have those knives that you can cut, you can definitely use those as well. Reposition the sticker. I believe I have the extra piece. I decided, hey, I'm not gonna waste it, so I'm gonna add it to the first page at the top beside it. December 2019. And then the next step I do is I decide to take out all those star checklists. And I stick it on my hand. It'll be easier to kind of like take it off and apply it on the planner. So that's what I'm doing, and I apply it all across on the left hand side, all the way down till Friday. And normally we leave weekends like empty and just add the flags. You will see in a bit. And then I decided to add this week sticker, and I normally use it for meal plan, but you can use it for reminders, events, appointments, and so forth. Underneath the sticker, I decided to write a line across the page so I can write to buy and to do. You will see in a bit. And I am counting the pages so I can somehow divide it in half. Split the grid. So that's what I did. And here I am adding a to buy and to do. And that's the tiny little sticker. It's actually really cute. Next, I think it speed up way too fast. I added a weekend banner between Saturday and Sunday. Next, I add a line across the page. From top to bottom on the left hand side, so I can divide the page in half. Not half, like a little bit. Next, I decided to stick with habits. I like tracking habits. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work, but when time gets busy, you will forget, but that's okay. I like to kind of see how I did for that week. So I decided to kind of like decorate the habits around. I add some stars, and I wrote down all my habits for tracking for that week. Underneath, I decided to write down a quote. I enjoy writing quotes, fun quotes. And this week's quotes is, what you think of yourself is much more important than what people think of you. I like that, and it's a great reminder to, your thoughts is more important than what other people think about you. So I'm writing that quote in there, and then later on I decided to kind of add some color around the words. So I decided to use my highlighter and highlight some of the words in the phrase, and also I highlighted December 2019 on the top left corner on the first page, and I also highlight the 49th week as well. And then I believe what I did next is that I decided, hey, I'm gonna color all all around the pages to add some decoration. It'll be fun. So I added some little dots around, and it turned out really nice. Really nice and cute. And I added a little bit more dots around. And I think that's about it. I hope you guys all enjoy this video. I may be talking too fast or whatnot. I hope you guys enjoy this Hobonichi plan with me. And if you like it, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, welcome, and please subscribe if you haven't. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!